GovHack is happening in Brussels.
A centre of governance, and we're going to come up with our own new paradigm for governance. So we're here to hack that. So we've been running a community co-design process this last 3 weeks called a mapathon. Anybody was free from the DAO to come along and put their ideas about what should be some of the focus areas, and we voted and ranked those. And so we've got the tracks that we came up with.
GovHack is a governance hackathon for the Arbitrum DAO. So what we're doing here is something different. It's a no-code, non-technical hackathon, and the output, instead of shipping code, is to ship proposals.
We're basically trying to align all the ventures and build towards more of an ecosystem fund for Arbitrum.
The DAO is really spearheading the evolution of decentralized technology and governance. And we're seeing this governance innovation live in action here at GovHack.
It feels kind of like popcorn. Certain teams will start to pop. They're just starting to get into a flow state, and you start to get this pervasive sense of aliveness.
I just knew that I had to be there, that this is where everything was going to happen, this is where everything was going to get done.
The expert pit stop. What we wanted to do is really curate this amazing opportunity for people who are newer to the DAO.
So is your proposal for managing those funds and distributing them smartly?
It's such an amazing opportunity to have an idea, to validate it, to iterate on it. You get to talk to different people in the room. They gave you such valuable feedback. In my case, that helped me tremendously validate my proposal.
We are in the final stages of finalizing the proposal, and I think we hit the point where we want to go sleep.
We're good. Let's finish writing our proposal.
We are no longer in this discovery phase. We should be pushing towards organizational phase, making more long-term conscious decisions rather than just trying to do something.
I think that that's a great thing that we have this law barrier, but also we have to work on it to push ourselves further in terms of what do we expect of each other.
Arbitrum has amazing tech and amazing project ecosystem. However, it's kind of lacking in terms of DevRel support.
Unfortunately, today, the problem is that there is actually no financial framework for the DAO.
What we see is that the large majority of proposals don't get approved, and it takes really, really long time.
Right now, the daily life of a delegate trying to decide how he should vote involves all of this pain all of the time.
GovTech is incredibly important for Arbitrum.
Gaming is important to Arbitrum.
Ventures is super important.
Developer relations, I think, takes on that extra importance there.
Been thinking a lot about DAO sustainability.
Being in real life, building net relationships is actually the priority.
IRL is important because ultimately we are all human beings.
The moment you've all been waiting for, the finalists.
We want to be able to use the developer resources at Powerhouse to be able to create a resource for everyone to be able to examine the DAO finances.
Ask for this is to power a DevRel Unique cohort by Arbitrum.
We have been building this thing on the side called Proposals.app, where you can see on-chain and off-chain proposals of all the big DAOs.
We're going to do live community voting to determine the final rank. The winner, drum roll please, is the Arb proposal app. Well done, sir.
It's been great to chat to so many different people from around the world. The map that we've got downstairs just highlights that.
In this week and within these 3 days, we'll be able to do work that would normally take us about 3 months worth of coordination of calendars.
I think this year, I would like to see GovHack become an institution that happens multiple times a year.